Siya ang captain. May I call the Police Captain Leonardo P. Sorio, the officer in charge, Community Assistance and Development, Division Police Community Affairs and Development Group, for his inspirational message.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm Police Captain Leonardo Sorio, the officer in charge of the Community Affairs section. And in behalf of the PICAG, Police Community Affairs Development Group, Community Affairs Development Division, sa ating OIC, Police Lieutenant Colonel Ma'am Veronica Pinolosa, I give you thanks si Ma'am Doktora Buena Gracia Cansana. Thank you for being part of your student journey. You are very privileged because you have all the needs, unlike me and other lecturers. Dumaan kami doon sa mga very hardship. Sabi nga, the road to success is not straight. There is curves, which is failures, the loop, which is confusion, the red lights, which is called enemies, the caution lights, which is our family, and if you have the spares for determination, you have engine for perseverance, you have insurance, your faith, and the driver, which is Jesus. You make it to the place which is called success. So yun. Personally, sa akin, my parents was not able to spend my education, pero it does not end my dreams to become Philippine members of the Philippine National Police. Yours truly, despite of financial difficulties, I stand before you today, BS Criminology, BS Education, Masters in Public Administration, Juris Doctors. So, biro mo, hindi ako napag-aaral ng magulang ko. I'm just a working student. So sabi nga, you are very privileged na in this modern world, nasa inyo na lahat. Nasa inyo lahat at wala nang dahilan para mabigo pa kayo. Kasi nandyan na lahat. So, in behalf of the Philippine National Police, we are conducting educational awareness like this. We are very thankful. Wala ba? Hello, yung pala. I was afraid nang malaman ko kayo na pala ng best friend ko, nasasaktan ako. Hindi, joke lang. So yun, you have lots of privilege. So, with our foreign student, very thankful na naging part kami sa inyo. So nakita po natin yung ni-lecture kanina. And of course, thank you doon sa Station 3 for giving us insight about the station crime situation. And of course, binigay kanina yung anti-drug awareness, yung anti-bastos law, so anti-terrorism. So nandiyan na po lahat. Yan po yung mga basic needs of human rights na kailangan we are aware. So again, in behalf of the CAD family, we are thankful and thank you very much.